Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this 4 divided 4 divided 4 divided 4. So let's start with today's video solution. Many people fail to solve this because they solve it like 4 divided 4 as 1 and 4 divided 4 as 1 and 1 divided 1 as 1, which is a wrong answer and wrong approach. Yes, you heard it right. So 4 divided 4 divided 4 divided 4. When same operation is repeating, that means division, division and division, then always solve it from left to right. So 4 divided by 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, divided by 4, divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is 1 by 4, divided by 4. Now 1 by 4 multiply by 4, 1 by 4 divided by 4. These are two different things. In this case, you can cancel out. But in this case, you have to put the multiplication and do the reciprocal of right hand side. So this becomes 1 by 16. So what is the correct answer? 1 by 16, not 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.